I don't think people understand how easy zero-waste cooking can be. Let me show you with today's meal plan. First up, breakfast. Grab 2 eggs and your leftover veggies. Beat the eggs in a bowl, then sauté those veggies in a pan. Add the eggs and scramble until cooked. Optional? Toss in some cheese for extra yum. Lunchtime means broccoli. Stem nut-free pesto pasta. Blend your broccoli stems, garlic and olive oil into a fresh pesto. Cook your pasta according to package instructions, toss with your homemade pesto, and you're good to go. For dinner, let's whip up a tofu and veggie stir-fry. Press the tofu, cut it into cubes, and stir-fry in olive oil until crispy. Remove and set aside. Now chop up those leftover veggies, carrots, broccoli, zucchini, whatever you have. Stir-fry them for 5-7 minutes, then add the tofu and a splash of soy sauce alternative. Mix well and serve with your leftover rice or noodles. There you have it, delicious, easy and zero waste. Happy cooking. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more zero waste recipes. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel and I appreciate it more than you realize. Thanks for watching.